Actually, last time down here, she was really, really good.
Last time she did awesome.
Yep.
That's been, what, a month ago?
At least. I mean, she didn't do it by herself either. She was with her sister, so I don't want to talk on your video, though. Oh, come on. That's it. Hit your mom. That'd be awesome.
Chop, chop.
Yeah. Don't look at her. Or look at that ball. That's it. Awesome. She knows how to do it now. Very good. Go! We can't have you moving your feet in the boots. No. Good job.
Good job, Greer. You've got to get some tennis shoes.
I have to.
Greer, how old are you?